MSC Armonia is one of those ships that quietly rewrote the playbook when she launched in 2001, introducing what would become MSC Cruises' signature blend of classic Mediterranean style and pioneering design. 65,542 tons with 976 cabins spread across 13 decks, she's a mid-sized vessel that offers something increasingly rare in modern cruising. A ship large enough to deliver variety but small enough to access more exclusive ports that megaships simply cannot reach. She sails eastern Mediterranean routes from Venice through Brindisi, Mykonos, Piraeus for Athens and Split, plus South America and transatlantic itineraries from home ports including Bahia de Salvador, Barcelona, Brindisi, Maceió, and Piraeus. With 721 crew serving a passenger capacity that ranges from 1950 to 2620 depending on configuration, the service ratio stays comfortably attentive, and her most recent refurbishment in 2019 keeps her feeling fresh despite her two-decade tenure at sea. The Stateroom lineup on MSC Armonia reflects her mid-sized heritage, offering a straightforward selection without the dizzying array of subcategories you find on newer megaships. Interior cabins clock in at approximately 13 square meters, located on decks 7 through 10, and come equipped with comfortable double or single beds available on request. Each interior includes a relaxing armchair, a bathroom with shower and vanity area complete with hairdryer, plus television, telephone, safe, and minibar. Wi-Fi is available for a fee, which is standard across most cruise lines today. These cabins offer the essentials in a compact footprint, ideal for travelers who plan to spend most of their time exploring ports or enjoying public spaces rather than lounging in their rooms. One thoughtful detail, cabins designed for guests with disabilities or reduced mobility feature only single beds, a practical accommodation that ensures easier movement and safer transfers within the space. Moving up to ocean view accommodations, you will find three distinct categories that offer varying perspectives and square footage. Junior ocean view cabins with obstructed view sit on deck 7 and measure approximately 12 to 13 square meters, featuring windows that provide natural light and glimpses of the sea despite some structural obstruction. These are priced lower than unobstructed views and work well for budget-conscious cruisers who want daylight without paying premium rates. Standard junior ocean view cabins occupy decks 8 through 10 and offer approximately 13 square meters with clear window views of the ocean, providing that classic porthole or window experience that many traditional cruisers prefer. Premium ocean view cabins located on deck 9 expand to approximately 22 square meters, nearly doubling the space of the junior categories and offering a more generous living area with the same amenities. Double or single beds on request, relaxing armchair, bathroom with shower and vanity area with hairdryer, television, telephone, Wi-Fi for a fee, safe, and minibar. The jump in square meterage makes a noticeable difference in how the room feels, especially for couples who appreciate a bit more breathing room or families with young children who need space to spread out. Armonia includes 5 cabins specifically designed for guests with disabilities or reduced mobility, a detail often overlooked in cruise ship marketing but critically important for travelers with accessibility needs. These cabins ensure that the ship remains welcoming to a broader range of passengers, and the single-bed configuration in these rooms reflects thoughtful planning for maneuverability and safety. Across all cabin categories, the design leans toward functional comfort rather than flashy luxury, with a warm Mediterranean aesthetic that favors wood tones and understated elegance over bold contemporary statements. The television, telephone, safe, and minibar are standard across all categories, ensuring that even the most budget-friendly interior cabin includes the core conveniences most cruisers expect. The availability of double or single bed configurations on request adds flexibility, particularly for friends traveling together or solo cruisers who prefer a single bed setup. While the official site does not provide detailed information on dining venues, the ship's mid-sized profile and MSC Cruises' traditional approach suggest a layout centered around spacious lounges and traditional dining rooms. MSC has long been known for its multi-course European-style dinners, where meals unfold over several courses rather than the grab-and-go pace of buffet-heavy ships. You can expect attentive table service with waitstaff who remember your preferences over the course of a week-long voyage, and menus that rotate daily to keep the culinary experience varied. The emphasis on traditional dining means set seating times in many cases, though flex dining options have become more common across the fleet. Without specific venue names or menus documented, it is difficult to detail individual restaurants, but the overall philosophy leans Mediterranean, with Italian influences taking center stage in pasta stations, risottos, and seafood preparations. Bars and lounges on a ship of this size typically offer intimate gathering spots rather than sprawling nightclub complexes. You will find classic cocktail lounges with live piano music, casual bars near pool decks for daytime refreshment, and likely a dedicated wine bar showcasing Italian and European labels. The lively entertainment mentioned in the ship's overall style suggests that public spaces double as performance venues in the evenings, with musicians, dancers, and variety acts rotating through the cruise. The warm Mediterranean style extends to the dining experience, where meals are treated as social events rather than fuel stops, and the pace encourages lingering over espresso and conversation rather than rushing off to the next activity. The outdoor spaces on MSC Armonia reflect her role as a ship designed for sunny Mediterranean itineraries, with pool decks that invite lounging under the sun between port calls. While specific pool dimensions and layouts are not detailed in the provided information, the ship's 65,542-ton size and mid-range passenger capacity suggest a pool area that balances space with intimacy, avoiding the overcrowded feel of megaships while still offering enough deck chairs and shaded retreats for most passengers to find a comfortable spot. The spacious lounges referenced in the ship's style likely extend outdoors, with covered seating areas that provide relief from midday heat while still offering ocean views and fresh air. MSC's family-friendly reputation means that pool areas are designed to accommodate children, with shallow sections or splash zones that keep younger cruisers entertained while parents relax nearby. Sunbathing on a ship of this vintage often means classic deck chair arrangements rather than elaborate tiered sun decks with cabanas and dabs, though refurbishments in 2014 through 2015 and again in 2019 may have introduced more contemporary lounging options. The outdoor experience on Armonia is less about Instagram-worthy infinity pools and more about functional, comfortable spaces where you can read a book, sip a drink, and watch the coastline slide past as the ship navigates from Venice to Split or from Mykonos to Athens. The lack of detailed information on adults-only areas or specific water features suggests a more traditional layout, where families and adults share the same pool spaces with a relaxed, European approach to poolside mingling. Onboard activities aboard MSC Armonia center around lively entertainment and a warm, social atmosphere rather than adrenaline-pumping adventure zones. The ship's mid-sized profile means that activities lean toward cultural and social experiences. Live music performances in lounges, dance classes, trivia contests, and themed deck parties that reflect the Mediterranean spirit. MSC's Italian heritage often shines through in activities like pasta-making demonstrations, Italian language lessons, and wine tastings that introduce passengers to regional varietals. The spacious lounges provide venues for daytime enrichment sessions, from cooking demos to destination talks that preview upcoming ports, and evening entertainment that ranges from Broadway-style production shows to comedian sets and live bands. Sports facilities on a ship of this size and era typically include a fitness center with cardio equipment and free weights, possibly a jogging track that winds around an upper deck, and courts for basketball or volleyball that double as multi-use spaces for group fitness classes or deck games. The child-friendly reputation suggests that activities cater to families, with supervised kids clubs that organize age-appropriate games, crafts, and themed events, freeing parents to enjoy adult-focused activities or simply relax by the pool. The lively entertainment mentioned in the ship's style means that evenings ramp up with energy, as the ship transforms from a daytime floating resort into a nighttime venue for dancing, live performances, and social gatherings that stretch late into the evening. The spa and wellness facilities on MSC Armonia, while not detailed in the provided information, typically follow MSC's partnership with wellness brands to offer a range of treatments from massages to facials, body wraps, and salon services. The fitness center likely includes modern cardio machines with ocean views, free weights, and possibly a small selection of resistance equipment, providing enough variety for passengers who want to maintain their workout routines while at sea. Wellness programs may include yoga or Pilates classes, often held on open decks during morning hours when the sea air and sunrise create a serene backdrop for stretching and meditation. The sauna and steam room, common features on ships of this class, offer post-workout relaxation or a quiet retreat for passengers seeking a spa-like escape without booking a full treatment. Spa treatments on MSC ships often draw on Mediterranean and Balinese traditions, with hot stone massages, aromatherapy sessions, and detoxifying body treatments that use natural ingredients and time-honored techniques. The spa serves as a revenue center for the cruise line, so prices for treatments are typically higher than land-based spas, but the convenience of booking a massage between port calls and the novelty of a spa day at sea make it a popular splurge for many passengers. Fitness classes, when offered, range from high-intensity interval training to gentler stretching sessions, accommodating a wide range of fitness levels and interests. The wellness experience on a ship like Armonia is less about cutting-edge biohacking or elaborate thermal suites and more about classic spa relaxation, with treatments that help passengers unwind and recharge during their voyage. MSC Armonia's child-friendly reputation and kids clubs make her a solid choice for families who want to introduce younger travelers to cruising without overwhelming them on a massive ship. The kids clubs typically divide children by age group with dedicated spaces and supervised activities for toddlers, younger children, and preteens, each program tailored to developmental stages and interests. Younger kids might enjoy arts and crafts, storytelling sessions, and themed parties, while older children gravitate toward video game tournaments, sports competitions, and scavenger hunts that let them explore the ship with newfound independence. Teen lounges, if available, provide a social hub where adolescents can hang out away from parents and younger siblings, with activities like karaoke, dance parties, and movie nights that cater to their evolving tastes. Family amenities extend beyond the kids' clubs with family-friendly dining options that accommodate picky eaters, pool areas where parents and children can play together, and evening entertainment that appeals to multiple generations. The ship's size means that families never feel lost in a sprawling maze of decks, and the warm Mediterranean style creates a welcoming atmosphere where children are embraced as part of the cruise community rather than tolerated as necessary nuisances. Babysitting services or late-night supervision may be available for an additional fee, allowing parents to enjoy adult dining or evening shows while knowing their children are safely entertained. The balance between family-friendly amenities and adult spaces ensures that multi-generational groups can travel together without anyone feeling shortchanged. The itineraries on MSC Armonia highlight her ability to access ports that larger ships bypass, a significant advantage for travelers who want to explore less touristed destinations and experience a more intimate connection with each location. Typical Eastern Mediterranean voyage might embark in Venice, where passengers can explore the canals, St. Mark's Square, and the labyrinthine streets before the ship departs for Brindisi, a port city in southern Italy that serves as a gateway to the Apulia region's whitewashed hill towns and olive groves. From Brindisi, the ship sails to Mykonos, the iconic Greek island known for its windmills, narrow streets, and vibrant nightlife, offering passengers a chance to wander through Kora, relax on beaches, or take a day trip to the ancient ruins on nearby Delos. The next port, Piraeus, serves as the gateway to Athens, where shore excursions might include visits to the Acropolis, the Parthenon, and the bustling Plaka neighborhood, blending ancient history with modern Greek culture. From Athens, the ship continues to Split, Croatia, a city where Roman ruins meet Mediterranean beaches and where passengers can explore Diocletian's Palace, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that forms the heart of the Old Town. The itinerary then returns to Venice, completing a loop that showcases the diversity of the Eastern Mediterranean, from Italian coastlines to Greek islands to Croatian history. The smaller size of Armonia means she can dock in ports where megaships must tender passengers ashore, saving time and reducing the hassle of boarding small boats for transfers. South America itineraries from home ports like Bahia de Salvador and Maceió offer a completely different flavor, with stops at tropical beaches, colonial cities, and rainforest excursions that highlight Brazil's natural and cultural richness. Transatlantic crossings provide a classic ocean voyage experience, with days at sea that allow passengers to settle into the rhythm of shipboard life, enjoying leisurely meals, onboard activities, and the simple pleasure of watching the horizon stretch endlessly in every direction. The variety of itineraries means that Armonia appeals to both first-time cruisers exploring the Mediterranean and seasoned travelers seeking new regions or repositioning cruises that connect different parts of the world. Keeping it real, MSC Armonia is a ship that delivers a comfortable, traditional cruise experience without the bells and whistles of newer, larger vessels. The mid-sized profile means fewer dining venues, fewer entertainment options, and a more straightforward cabin selection compared to megaships that offer dozens of specialty restaurants and elaborate suite complexes. For travelers who crave cutting-edge amenities, the latest technology, or a vast array of onboard activities, Armonia may feel modest. The 2019 refurbishment keeps her looking fresh, but she is still a ship that launched in 2001, and some design elements reflect that era rather than the sleek, contemporary aesthetics of ships built in the past decade. The passenger capacity range, which varies from 1950 to 2620 depending on configuration, means that the onboard experience can feel quite different depending on how full the ship is, with higher occupancy leading to busier pool decks, longer lines at embarkation, and more crowded public spaces. That said, the ship's smaller size is also her greatest strength for certain travelers. She offers an intimacy and ease of navigation that megaships simply cannot match, with a layout that becomes familiar within a day or two, and a passenger count that allows crew members to recognize returning guests and provide personalized service. The access to smaller, more exclusive ports means that itineraries often feel less touristy and more authentic, with fewer crowds at each destination and more time to explore at a relaxed pace. The warm Mediterranean style and lively entertainment create a social, festive atmosphere that appeals to travelers who enjoy meeting fellow passengers and participating in group activities rather than retreating to private enclaves. For families, the child-friendly reputation and dedicated kids clubs make Armonia a practical choice, offering supervised activities that keep children entertained while parents enjoy some downtime. What makes MSC Armonia genuinely different is her role as one of the ships that first introduced MSC Cruises' distinctive combination of classic Mediterranean style and pioneering design. She and her Lyrica-class sisters, MSC Lyrica, MSC Opera, and MSC Sinfonia, set the template for what MSC would become, blending European elegance with accessible pricing and itineraries that showcase the best of the Mediterranean and beyond. The ship's ability to access more exclusive ports is a unique selling point that cannot be overstated, as it opens up destinations that remain off-limits to larger vessels, giving passengers a more varied and less commercialized cruise experience. The 976 cabins, including 5 designed specifically for guests with disabilities or reduced mobility, reflect a commitment to inclusivity that ensures a broader range of travelers can enjoy the MSC experience. The traditional dining approach with multi-course meals and attentive table service harkens back to an era when cruising was less about speed and efficiency and more about savoring the journey. The spacious lounges and lively entertainment create a social hub where passengers naturally gather, fostering a sense of community that can be harder to find on megaships where public spaces are so vast that passengers scatter and rarely cross paths. The warm Mediterranean style, with its emphasis on wood tones, classic furnishings, and a welcoming ambience, makes Armonia feel less like a floating hotel and more like a comfortable, well-appointed vessel designed for leisurely travel. For travelers who value itinerary over onboard amenities, who prefer smaller ships with a more intimate feel, and who appreciate the blend of Italian hospitality and European elegance, MSC Armonia delivers a cruise experience that feels both timeless and genuine.